Good morning dear students. In a previous lecture we have solved the exercise 10.1. Today we are going to discuss about various form of the equation of a line. Okay student, there are 6 form of the equation of the straight line. First is the horizontal and vertical lines. We find the equation of line which is a horizontal or vertical. Okay. Next is the point slope form. And third is the point form, and fourth is the slope intercept form, and fifth is the intercept form, and sixth is the normal form. Okay students, today we are going to discuss the various form of the equation of a line. You have already familiar with what is a straight line. Straight line is the locus of the point which moves in the same direction having a no curvature. The equation of the straight line is the linear pair equation in two variable, that means ax plus by equal to c, which is a equation of the lines where a, b, c are constant belonging to the set of real numbers and x, y is the variable. Straight lines having a no curvature. Straight line, the length of the straight line is the infinite, that means the lines have a no end point, and the dimension of line is the one. Lines having a only one length have a no breadth and width. Okay students, in these terms you have already studied in a previous lecture. Okay students, today we going to discuss about the equation of the straight line in a various form. Okay, first form is the horizontal and vertical lines. A equation in a Cartesian plane contains infinitely points. Okay students, if lines is the horizontal, that means line is the parallel to the x-axis. L is the line which is a parallel to the x-axis, and passing through the points 0, a. Line L is parallel to x-axis and passing through 0, a, then the equation of line L is y equal to a. That means in all point of this line satisfied the condition y equal to a. Here y equal to a, here y equal to a, here y equal to a, here y equal to a. If a line is the horizontal line, then this line is a parallel to the x-axis first condition, it is a parallel to the x-axis and passing through the point 0 comma a, that means in direction of positive direction of y-axis. And second condition, if line is the horizontal x dash y dash o, then line is the also passing through the negative direction of y-axis. Okay student, this coordinate of this point is the 0 comma minus a. Suppose that the coordinate of this point is the 0 comma minus a, then the equation of line in this condition y equal to minus a. Hence the equation of the lines which is a horizontal lines is, hence the equation of horizontal line, the equation of horizontal line is y equal to plus minus a, y equal to plus minus a. Okay students, similarly if line L is parallel to y-axis, that means line is the vertically line in a Cartesian plane, x dash y dash, this is a vertically line, here x equal to b. Suppose that the line intersect on x-axis at a point b comma 0. The equation of line in this condition, which is a line is the vertically line. If a line is the vertically, then parallel to the y-axis, x equal to b. And next condition, if a line vertically line and passing through the points minus b comma 0, in this condition the equation of the line is the x equal to minus b. Hence in this condition the equation of the line is x equal to minus b. If line is the vertical, then the equation of line is the x equal to plus minus b. If line is the horizontal, then the equation of the line is y equal to plus minus a. Okay students, there are 4 conditions. If line is the horizontal line, that means line L, and here line L. If line is the passes through the point 0 comma a, and here if the line is the passes through the 0 comma minus a, in this condition equation of the line is the x equal to a. In this condition equation of the line is the minus a. Okay students, and next, if a line is the horizontal, if the line is the vertically, that means line is the parallel to y-axis, and passing through the points b comma 0, then equation of this line is the x equal to b. And if the line is the vertically line and passes through the minus b comma 0, then equation of this line is the x equal to minus b. Okay students, now we discuss the question related to the equation of the horizontal line and vertical line. Example number 6, find the equation of the lines parallel to the axis and passing through the point minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. Example number 6, find the equation of the line. Find the equation of line parallel to axis and passing through minus 2, 3. Okay students, in this question find the equation of the lines parallel to the x axis and passing through the points minus 2, 3 in a Cartesian plane. First of all, we plot the point minus 2, minus 3 in a Cartesian plane, minus 2 and 3. The coordinate of this point P minus 2, 3. Okay student, line passing through the point P and which is a parallel to the x axis minus 2, 3. First condition, if it is a parallel to the x axis, if case first, if line L is a parallel to x axis, then equation of this line is, here if a parallel to the x axis, that means line is the horizontal lines, then y equal to, here this condition, y equal to a and y equal to 3. If a line is the parallel to the x axis, then equation of the line is the y equal to 3. Every point on this line is satisfied y equal to 3. Okay students, if a line is a parallel to the y axis, then the equation of the line is x dash y 0 y dash. If a point minus 2, 3 parallel to the y axis, if line parallel to y axis, that means the equation of this line is the x equal to minus 2. Equation of line y x equal to minus 2. Okay students, in every point on this line satisfies the condition x equal to minus 2. Okay students, this is a first answer and this is a second answer. If line is the parallel to the x axis, then equation of the line is y equal to 3 and line passes through the points minus 2, 3. If line is the parallel to the y axis, then the equation of the line is x equal to minus 2. Okay students, let us move second form of the lines, point slope form. That means a line passing through a points and with the slope m, then what is the equation of the straight line? Okay students, point slope form, point slope form, point slope form. In a Cartesian plane, if line is the passes through a point, let line L is passes through a point x0 comma y0 with slope m, with a slope m, then we find the equation of the line. Okay students, here this is a point is the A, x comma 0, line L is the passing through point A, coordinate of A, x 0 comma y 0, and having the slope m, that means the slope of this line is the m. What is the equation of this line? Let P x comma y be arbitrary point on line L. We let arbitrary point on a line L which coordinates is the x comma y. Okay students, we know that the slope of the lines, the slope of line L, the slope of the line L is the line passing through the 2 points. First is the given that, and second point is the we take the general point on the line. Okay students, here y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, the slope of the line which is passing through the 2 points. First is the x1 comma y1, second is the x2 comma y2, then m equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. We have already discussed this formula. Okay student, using this formula. Here given that the slope of the line L is the m, then m equal to y minus y0 x minus x0. This implies that y minus y0 into m into x minus x0, which is a equation of line passes through point x0 comma y0 with slope m. Okay students, if a line passes through a points x0 comma y0 with a slope m, then equation of the line is y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0. Okay, you understand? Solve the question related to this formula. Okay students, find the equation of the line passing through minus 2 comma 3 with a slope minus 4. Example number 7. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of line passes through passes through -2, 3 with a slope -4. Okay students, find the equation of the line passes through point -2, 3 with a slope -4. Here given that the coordinate of a point, given that line passing through the x0 y0 is equal to -2, 3 and m equal to -4. We know that equation of the lines, equation of line when a line passes through a point with a slope m, y minus y0 m into x minus x0. This implies that what is the value of y0? y0 is the 3, y minus 3 m minus 4, x minus x0 is the -2. Okay student, this implies that y minus 3 equal to -4 x plus 2. This implies that y minus 3 is equal to -4x minus 8. This implies that 4x plus y is equal to -8 plus 3. This implies that 4x plus y equal to -5. This implies that 4x plus y plus 5 equal to 0, which is your answer. The equation of the line is 4x plus y plus 5 equal to 0. 4x plus y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay students, you understand? If a line passing through a point x0, y0 with the slope m, then the equation of the line is y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0. Okay, we solve the question related this formula. You are satisfied? Okay, let us move third form of the equation, 2 points form. That means line passes through 2 points, then we find the equation of the line. 2-point form. Third form is the 2 points form. 2 points form. Suppose line L is passes through x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then we find the equation of the straight line. Okay students, in a Cartesian plane, x dash, y dash, o. Line passing through 2 points. First is the A, x1, y1 and B is the x2, y2. Then we find the equation of the lines. Let P be general point on a line. We take a general point on a line. Here points A, P, B are collinear point. Okay students, why? Because we suppose that point P on this line. Then we find the equation of this line. That means point A, point P, point B lies on this line. Points A, P, B are collinear points. Points A, P, B are collinear points. Then we have already studied in a previous lecture the slope of AP, slope of PB, and slope of PB is the same as slope of AB, and slope of PB is the same as slope of AB. Okay students, and slope of AP, slope of PB is the also same as the slope of AB. That means the line segment PB is the part of line segment AB. That means the slope of AB is the same slope of PB. Then the place of slope of PB we write the slope of AB. Okay students, this implies that slope of AP equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to slope of AB y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This implies that y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, which is a equation of the line, which is the equation of line passing through 2 points, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Okay students, we solve the question related to this formula. If a line passing through 2 points, first is the x1 comma y1 and next is the x2 comma y2, then the equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the slope of the line. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is the slope of the lines. Okay students, in a slope point form we write here only m, y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0. Only line passing through a 1 point x0 comma y0 with the slope m. Here line passing through the 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, then the equation of the line is the y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. We solve the question related to this formula. Example number 8. Okay students, write the equation of a line. Write equation of line passing through points 1 comma passing through points 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 5. Okay students, solution. Given that x1 comma y1 is equal to 1 comma minus 1 and x2 comma y2 is equal to 3 comma 5. Okay students, in this question given that the coordinate of 2 points, first is the 1 comma minus 1, and next is the 3 comma 5. Then we find the equation of line passes through x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is equal to y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, students, we put the value of x1 and y1, x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, this implies that y minus y1, the value of y1 equal to minus 1 minus plus 1 is equal to y2, the value of y2 equal to 5 and value of y1 equal to minus 1 minus 1 upon the value of x2 is the 3 minus the value of x1 is the 1 into x minus x1. Okay, students, this implies that y plus 1 equal to 6 upon 2 x minus 1. This implies that y plus 1 equal to 3 into x minus 1. This implies that y plus 1 equal to 3x minus 3. This implies that 3x minus y and minus 4 equal to 0, which is a equation of line which passes the point minus 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 5, which is your answer. 3x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. This equation is also written as minus 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. In your book given that answer is the minus 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, students.